How's it going? So today we're going to go to Leonardo.ai to create an image. As you can see, these are pretty cool looking. So we are going to create the image. Looks like I've made some before. Alright, so let's type the prompt. We want to do, sticking with alright, so we want to do Leonardo da Vinci riding a moped through Italy. Yeah, see? Alright. Yeah, that's kind of cool. That kind of looks like Jerry Garcia, but the hat, kind of nailed the hat there. Alright, so I like this one. So let's go ahead and select that one. We're going to download it. Let's see our folder. And we're going to create a little short film at the end of all this. Let's call this guy Leo 1. Alright, so Leonardo da Vinci is riding his moped through Italy. Leonardo da Vinci stops and gets gelato in a piazza in Italy. Alright, let's see how it does. It's going to be a very short film. Alright, I like it. That kind of looks like Gandalf. We're going to go with this one because you got the hat still. Alright, so we're going to download this one. So this one. Okay, so there you go. Image. I'm going to call this one Leo 2. And it looks like these are coming down in zip folders, which is interesting. So let's go ahead and extract that. So to extract this, let's go right now. Extract. So it probably comes in a zip folder if you're doing multiple ones, but I don't know why it would do that since we just did the one. Right, so let's see if we can get to our image here. Okay, cool. So we got our images. Okay, so let's do one more, and then we can do kind of a storyline. Leonardo da Vinci shares gelato with dog. Yeah, so I'm picturing a dog coming up, and he's sharing his gelato with him. So let's see what happens here. In a piazza in Italy. Let's try that. So yeah, you have to be more specific sometimes, and then just play around with the prompts. Very cool. None of these guys have the hat on, but we'll go with this one anyways. And we've got to unclick that one if I recall. Download the original image. Yeah, we want to go to Leo 3. Okay, I'll pause this real quick and unzip it. Alright, so I just saved them in the same folder. Okay, so that's using Leonardo.ai. We've got our 3 pictures. So next we're going to go to LEIA Pix to animate. So stay tuned. Stay tuned and we'll do that on the next one. All right, thanks.